Assalamualaikum students, hopefully you are doing well. We are facing problems because of these conditions, but be positive and instead of wasting your time, focus on your studies. Previously we did assertive sentences. Today we will start with interrogative sentences, questioning sentences. There are two type of interrogative sentences: open-ended, close-ended. Close-ended interrogative begins with the helping verb that are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, can or shall. In other words, we can say that these are those sentences to whom we can answer in yes or no. For instance, he said, "Are you doing your work?" You can either say yes or no. I am doing my work or I am not doing my work. Close ended sentences begin with helping verbs or simple words. You can say that we can answer these questions with yes or no. Other type of sentences is close and open-ended sentences, and open-ended or interrogative sentences begin with interrogative pronouns, questioning words: when, whether, where, whom, what, when, why, whose, whom. When we change the interrogative sentences into indirect speech, there are different rules for both the type of sentences. In open-ended sentences, no conjunction is used. We just remove the commas and start the sentence that word which is used as a pronoun. For instance, he said, "What are you doing?" We will not use any conjunction here. We just start the sentence with the word what. In open close-ended sentences, which begins with the helping verb, conjunction if or whether is used. There is no difference between that where we use if or where we use whether. Both are equally used, if or whether. One thing, conjunction that is not used in interrogative sentences and in open-ended sentences that begins with questioning words, we simply start with the word which is the in a pronoun with which the sentence is starting, and in close-ended sentences we use the conjunction if or pronoun. Secondly, question changes into statement. It does not remain the question, it changes into statement. Means help verb is used before, instead of before pronoun, it will be used after pronoun. Are you a boy? I am a boy. Verb is used after noun or pronoun, and the reporting verb changes into asked, inquired, or demanded. Previously, we changed the reported verb into said or told, tell or tells. But in questioning sentences, they changes into inquired, demanded, and asked. Come to the exercise that is on the page 174. She said, "Is this your book?" She she asked. Now set changes into asked. Is this your book? To remove the commas, we use the conjunction if here. Is this your book? Now it is a question, and in the change of indirect speech, it changes into statement. That was my book. She asked if that book was mine. If that book was mine. He said, "Do you have any share in this firm?" Again, said changes into asked, and we can either use if or whether. He asked whether I had the same rules of tenses as we did in the assertive sentences, and for the change of nearness into dearness. The rules remain same here. He asked if I had any share in that firm. They said, "Have you ever visited the Murray Hills?" They asked if I had ever visited the Murray Hills. He said, "Aren't you ashamed of yourself?" He asked if I was not ashamed of myself. The teacher said, "Did you do your home task yesterday?" The teacher asked if I had done my home task the previous day. The mother said, "Didn't I ask you not to go there?" The mother asked if she had not asked me not to go there. Rihanna said, "Will you stop interfering in my work?" Rihanna asked me whether I would stop interfering in her work. The mother said, "Shall we invite the Qurayshis also?" The mother asked if they would invite the Qurayshis also. Adnan said, "Had you left Karachi before writing this letter?" Adnan asked if I had left Karachi before writing that letter. The judge said, "Have you anything more to say?" The judge asked if I had anything more to say. He said, "What do you want me to do?" Now, there is a change in the sentence, that the previous sentences begin with the helping verb, but here interrogative pronoun is used. What? He said what? He asked what? Here what remains what and no conjunction is used. What I wanted him to do. The mother said, "How did you fail in your examination?" The mother asked how I had failed in my examination. Raza said, "Where are you going?" Raza asked where I was going. The teacher said, "Whose book is this?" The teacher asked whose book that was. The teacher said, "Who is the author of this book?" The teacher asked who the author of that book was. The stranger said, "Which is the way to the Shalimar Gardens?" The stranger asked which way to the Shalimar Garden was. The manager said, "How do you propose to solve this problem?" The manager asked how I propose to solve that problem. The boy said, "What do you want me to do?" The boy asked what I wanted him to do. The people said, "Where have I eased?" The people asked where he had eased. The teacher said, "Who is next on the list?" The teacher asked who the next on the list was.